What's up? Mighty Kyle here. I'm gonna build me a handle for my grinder. This thing's kind of a death trap without one. Got a piece of I think this was an old jack handle. It's got the rod in the end. Got a bolt that fits the grinder and a bigger nut that I'm gonna slide in the end of this. Or in the end of this when I cut it off and weld it up. Should be pretty simple, pretty quick, but I think it'll be handy. Now, let's see here. Think maybe something about like right in there. So the plan is, see, here's my bolt. There's that nut I was talking about. Get in there. So I'm gonna weld it here and stick it down in there, then weld it all the way around. I think it'll be pretty sturdy. See what we can do. Maybe something like it, if it'll fit. Leave my picker down in there. Yeah, I weld her up, she'll be ready. Barely even all warped up. It's pretty warped up. Oh well. It'll be what it'll be. Put the weld to it here. Got her all cleaned up. Looks a little better, but I'll see how she fits. There she is. Kind of, it's redneck. Look like something out of Mad Max or something, but it be able to hold and grind and cut. That's what we was after. Shoot, yeah. So simple little project. Handle on a grinder. You can get them for dirt cheap, but making something yourself is kind of fun. But shoot, yeah, I sure appreciate your time watching. Appreciate everybody who subscribed. Y'all have a good.